Hello friends! Infinix announced its 180W Thundercharge earlier this year, and today a teaser comes to confirm the first phone to have support it. A video popped up on the company's official AliExpress store and it reveals the Infinix Zero Ultra is on its way. On top of the massively fast charging, it will also have a 200MP main camera with OIS and a 120Hz OLED screen with 2.5D curved edges. The teaser also confirms a Dimensity 920 chipset, which raises some questions. In theory, the MediaTek chipset has an ISP that supports 20MP plus 20MP dual cameras or 108MP single cameras, meaning the 200MP sensor would need a dedicated ISP to be handled. Alternatively, we are looking at some upscaling shenanigans without actual support for the high resolution. The Infinix Zero Ultra will come with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and the teaser clearly reveals a triple camera setup on the back and a single selfie shooter inside a punch hole. The listing also says the screen is 6.8-inch with Full HD Plus resolution, and the phone has a USB-C port and room for 2 SIM cards. The battery capacity is most likely for 1,500 mAh because that was the capacity of the prototype from June.